Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about the best foods that may help support a healthy milk supply and why nutrition is important during the feeding journey. Many mothers wonder if there is one special food that can instantly increase milk supply. In reality, no single food works like magic. A balanced diet, proper hydration, regular milk removal, and rest all work together. One food that many mothers include in their diet is oatmeal. It is easy to prepare, provides energy, and can be part of a healthy breakfast routine. Eggs are another popular choice because they are rich in protein and important nutrients. Many mothers include them in their meals to help support overall nutrition. Nuts such as almonds and walnuts are also commonly eaten as snacks. They provide healthy fats and can be a convenient option during busy days. Many mothers also enjoy green leafy vegetables as part of their meals. Including a variety of vegetables can help create a more balanced diet. Fruits are another important part of a healthy eating routine. They provide vitamins, minerals, and variety throughout the day. Hydration is equally important. Drinking enough water regularly can help support your body's daily needs and overall well-being. It is also important not to skip meals. Eating regular and balanced meals throughout the day helps maintain energy and supports a healthy routine. Remember that every mother's body is different. Foods that work well for one person may not have the same effect for someone else. With balanced nutrition, proper hydration, regular pumping or feeding sessions, and enough rest, many mothers can support a healthy milk supply naturally. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.